When it comes to improving your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, installing a new door is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. However, many homeowners in Fort Lauderdale run into costly issues because of avoidable mistakes during the installation process. Whether you're installing a front entry door, patio door, or sliding glass door, avoiding these pitfalls can help you get the most value from your investment. Below are the most common mistakes to avoid during door installation in Fort Lauderdale, and how to make sure your new door performs beautifully for years to come. Incorrect door measurements. A door that doesn't fit the opening properly is the #1 reason installations fail. Even being off by a ½ inch can lead to drafts, sticking, uneven gaps, or a door that won't close correctly. Many homeowners assume that door sizes are standard, but frame and opening dimensions can vary, especially in older Fort Lauderdale homes or coastal properties that have settled over time. Tip: always measure the width, height, and depth of the rough opening at least twice before selecting a door. If you're unsure, having a professional measure it can save time, hassle, and extra expense. Ignoring South Florida climate considerations. Fort Lauderdale's warm, humid, and often storm-prone climate means that the wrong door material or seal can deteriorate quickly. Wooden doors, for example, can warp if not properly sealed. Low-cost metals may rust or corrode. Choosing the wrong materials can shorten the lifespan of your investment. Tip: opt for doors made from materials designed for coastal climates, fiberglass, composite, or properly treated steel. Look for moisture-resistant frames and hardware. Skipping the weatherproofing steps. Weatherproofing should never be an afterthought. Without the right flashing, caulking, and threshold sealing, even a well-installed door can let in moisture. In Fort Lauderdale's climate, that moisture can lead to mold, swelling, and premature deterioration. Tip: make sure the installer uses premium weather stripping and sealant rated for Florida's humidity and rainfall. Proper sealing is crucial for long-term performance. Poor alignment and improper shimming. A door that isn't perfectly aligned will lead to sticking, uneven wear on the hinges, and difficulty latching. Not using shims correctly or failing to check the plumb and level alignment at each stage of installation are common DIY mistakes. Tip: check for plumb, level, and square at every step, not just at the beginning or end. Proper shimming ensures the door operates smoothly and stays aligned over time. Using the wrong hardware. Not all hinges, screws, and locks are created equal. Salt air and heavy moisture in Fort Lauderdale can quickly corrode low-quality hardware. In addition, weak screws can cause sagging or make the door vulnerable to forced entry. Tip: choose heavy-duty, rust-resistant hardware, especially for exterior doors. Stainless steel and galvanized materials are often the best options in a coastal environment. Underestimating the role of insulation. A door may look great on the outside, but if insulation around the frame is overlooked, your home will lose conditioned air. That means higher energy bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures, issues that are particularly noticeable in South Florida's heat. Tip: use expanding foam insulation rated for door frames to properly fill gaps without causing bowing or warping. De-installation. Without experience. While online videos make door replacement look simple, it can be a complex project that requires carpentry knowledge, precision, and familiarity with local building considerations. A seemingly small mistake can lead to expensive structural or moisture damage down the line. Tip: if you're not confident in your skills, hiring a professional installer is usually more affordable in the long run. Final thoughts. Door installation in Fort Lauderdale requires more than just choosing an attractive style. It has to stand up to heat, humidity, storms, and constant sun exposure. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure your new door provides excellent performance, long-lasting durability, and enhanced curb appeal. Taking the time to choose proper materials, measure accurately, and weatherproof effectively will help protect your home while keeping it comfortable and secure for years to come.